Hey everybody, welcome back. Love to see you back on the channel. Wanted to go over what's the time period or the length of time that should you start getting pre-approved to buy a house, so you can prep everything to make sure that you get the best rate, the best deal, and that you have the most purchase power that you want to go look at when buying a house. Well, let's get into the first steps of this. So the first step I would suggest is minimum time frame to get pre-approved before you're buying a house. If you're not sure where you're at, you're not sure where your credit's at, if you want to get your credit score up, or you want to save a little bit more down payment, or save up for some reserves, or you're just not sure, you've never done this before. Love to chat with you about getting you pre-approved. I would recommend about a month before you're planning on buying, at the most. If you're trying to do something where it's 2 to 3 months out, that may be a little tougher, because usually a credit report is only going to be good for about 90 days. So there's a few different options with this. Initially, I can pull a soft check credit report. So if you go online, fill out the application, and I get that application, I can do either a hard pull check or I can do a soft pull check. Usually I like to do a soft pull, so there's no hit to your credit. It doesn't affect your credit score, so there's no negative effect on you. That way we can look at that credit report, that credit score, and I can analyze what everything looks like, and we can see what revolving debt you have, what kind of balances you have, and run a credit score analyzer to see if we can get that credit score up by paying these credit cards down or paying this thing off. That's going to be the first step. So I would say 30 days out is probably the best point in doing this, so we can try to look over your credit, make sure the credit score is where you want it to be. We can go over payments. I can look at your income, go through your tax returns, 1099 income, whatever income you've got. We like to go through all of that stuff, and then I like to match it up with the guidelines on how to calculate your income. Then what I do is I run an automated approval, and I can run that with a soft check credit report as well. So what we're looking at is we always want to look for debt to income ratio to see if you're up to 50% if we're going conventional. If you're going to go over 50%, we can go to 55% on an FHA loan. And I've got some other products as well in case you don't fit into those traditional guidelines. Whether you're a 1099 employee that hasn't filed tax returns and you only have 1 year of 1099 income, we can get those deals done. If you have self-employment income, but you wrote off all your expenses on your tax returns, we can do bank statement loans, 12 months, 24 months, personal or business tax returns, or personal or business bank statements on those. No tax returns required. So got stated income options, you name it, we have it. And then what we do is, so if we're running the traditional conventional FHA, VA, and we get that automated approval, then if your credit score is a little lower than you'd like and you want to get a little bit better rate, I can give you the list of stuff to do to get those credit cards paid down and those revolving accounts paid down. And then once we've got that done, then we could do a rapid rescore and get that credit score up within 5 to 7 business days after you've paid those cards down. So fairly easy to do this. So those are pretty much the steps and how long you should wait if you're getting ready to buy your first house and getting prepared for that. And that way you can see what kind of down payment you have. If you're getting a gift from family members, we can get you all the numbers on that stuff, payments, how much down you're gonna need, whether you're gonna pay closing costs, if the seller's gonna pay your closing costs. All of those details go into all of that. So hit us up anytime. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You can reach me anytime, 801-604-4949, UtahLowRate.com. We'd love to hear from you. We're available 7 days a week, 24/7. Don't hesitate to reach out. We've got great reviews online, so check us out. Love to help you out. Not to mention we're a mortgage broker, so we're going to be one of the lower mortgage rates and lower mortgage closing costs that you're going to find in the Utah market. So talk to you soon. Thanks, guys.